Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video guys, I'm going to show you on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013 if your horn does not work, okay, how to locate the fuse and check it out. Okay, most of the times the fuse will go bad, so if your horn doesn't work, we'll demonstrate what you need to do. The procedure is not very complicated. You will need to get to the fuse box, reach the fuse and show you. We actually might be two fuses, so we'll need to check both of them. Now, in the meantime, we have more than 200 videos guys taking this car apart. So if you need help with anything, okay, just let us know, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe because videos will keep coming in. Now, let me go to the other side of the car quick, so we can get to the fuse box. Okay, it's on the passenger side. You need to empty your glove box all the way. Open the glove box right here. Now, you have two turning things. Okay, you need to turn those 90 degrees up, facing up, one on each side. Remove that cover now. Now we have two fuses that could be for the horn. Okay, two of them. Number 16 is the first one, and number 16, okay, is a 15 amp fuse. Now let me get the puller. That's the fuse puller here. Just grab it and slide it out. Now, if you come on this side, okay, that's the first row. Second row, on the second row, it's on the very left side. This is the blue fuse right there. That's fuse number 16. That's one of the fuses for the horn. Okay, so let me just go ahead and pull it out somehow. Trying to fit the camera and myself here. Now you guys, and this is the fuse. Okay, let me get a replacement one quick. Okay, this is the new fuse. So you can see 15 amp little fuse, the one that we removed right there. So that's one of the fuses. Let me go ahead and install it now. Installation guys, take your time because sometimes they don't go in so easy and you need to make sure that everything lines up, otherwise it's not going to work out. Okay, this one is in. The other fuse that could be for the horn is fuse number 59. Okay, 59 is a 5 amp fuse and it's the one, okay, this row right here on the bottom, it's the fourth one from left to right. Okay, so it will be, okay, this one right here. Okay, this is a good fuse. Okay, you can check it out. Let me show you. All the fuses and parts that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below. So this is the second one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, install it, and if your horn doesn't work after that, okay, you will have to go ahead and check relay over the horns itself, but most of the times it could be just a fuse. So that's how you guys replace it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.